Imagine this. You add a new product to Shopify, and within minutes, it already has professional photos, a video, and a full description, all automatically. Normally, creating e-commerce content takes days and an entire team. Designers, models, copywriters, editors, coordinating photo shoots, and burning through thousands of dollars. We decided to remove all of that and turn the process into a fully automated AI factory. Once a product is created in Shopify, Latenode starts an intelligent content assembly line. AI generates descriptions and optimized prompts, while state-of-the-art models Gemini and FlyMy create photos and videos, all of which are instantly added to the product page. In just minutes, a new product receives a complete content package: photos, videos, and descriptions. No human involvement, a consistent, branded visual style. Latenode and FlyMy transform e-commerce into a smart ecosystem where content creates itself. Try Latenode and let AI handle the rest.